Sunday, Monday, it's Tuesday! I know, we've got some more green in the shop. But, you know, they really do know how to target weekend warriors like myself. Instructions, free little sanding pads. It's not free, it's paid for it. Some sort of miter angle finding device. Table rest. Coarsely machined aluminium, lightweight. Another table rest. Random arm part yet to be decided. And the main unit. It's already got a belt on it. So I'll figure out how to put these arms on, work out what sort of grip we're dealing with, turn it on, we'll have a look. Righto, so this has got a sticky back on it, so she's gonna have to be going on the wheel. Right, G. This little bit sits right about now. Have a look at this. This is the care and the quality that TTI Industries is pumping out of their shop. They haven't put the sticker on straight, so it doesn't actually sit in the area that it's supposed to. This milled out of plastic or mold or whatever. So hasn't even been unboxed and it's peeling up. It's only a shitty sticker, but you know, all you Milwaukee diehards, same factory, same quality control. I don't know what to tell you. Again, this little sticker here just slapped on, and that's supposed to be your degrees, so you can't trust that at all. Maybe take the sticker off and calibrate it again yourself, but out of the box they don't mean nothing. It's just been slapped on in the factory there. Like, do you really think the worker getting paid $3 an hour cares whether your disc sander's calibrated? Makes it easy for adjustment. I don't like the fact that this piece here is only held on by the one arm. So obviously smash her in, but there's nothing to stop that sort of force. I don't know how much force you really want to be putting on one of these tables, but it would be nice if it was dual pivoted. You could tighten it from 2 points. Although saying that, I haven't even tried how it works out yet. I'm complaining before I've tried it. It's actually, that's not horrible. That's not horrible, so it's not as good as it could be, but it's not absolutely horrible. This bit here slides into the dovetail. Not sure if this has a lock or if that screw is a lock. No, that handle doesn't. So that just sits in there and moves wherever it wants. Alright. There you have it. There you have her. Well, get some power going and we'll turn her on. Go. Got the deal. So, as you're seeing, I've only given this a go with the belt it came with and the disc it came with. They seem to be quite fine grit. It was roughly 120 that they gave me. But I got myself 80 and 40. So, material, swapping out belts, I'll be able to destroy material a lot quicker. As you can see, on the wood, eats it like butter. You can shape it up all sorts of different ways, and you know, kid-friendly vampire killing steak, if you will. I don't know, whatever you want to make. I was impressed by how quick it took the material off this bit of Ryo. Just polishing up this end here. And then the full sanding on the back. That's not bad for the level of grit that it's got and the amount of time it took. So I bought this for just, I want to make a knife. So I'm not ready to go spend a couple grand on a big one, although I do want a big one. I want to make a big one, but I wanted to get off the ground, give it a play, work out what I'm looking for. Already, the main thing this is going to let me down with is the radius up the top. If you want to get in there with the little bits, so that's something I'm going to have to work around when I design things. But again, I shaped that. This is 5mm thick or something. Got the curve going, then gave up on the curve. But I'm pretty impressed with it, I really am. The amount of time it took me with this thing versus the amount of time it taken by hand. I could do it with the flat disc on the grinder, but you're burning out $10, $15 discs every single time you use it, you know, whereas these didn't cost much, and I can cycle through grits, whereas most home shops don't carry a bunch of different grits for the, you know, your 5-inch flapper, because what's the point? But liking it, really am liking it. A little bit loud, a little bit on the loud side, but that's fine. It's a workshop, you know, not a library for reading in. All in all, not a bad little deal. It's gonna find itself quite a useful little addition. I'm gonna throw it over down here. It's gonna find itself a little home on that bench there. Work out, see how much dust I do get, especially when I start working with the knives and materials. Definitely gonna get a feel for what I want and the sort of things I'm looking for when I build my own. But this is definitely going to give me a bunch of understanding to what I'm actually looking for. I've never had a belt sander before, so you don't really know. You can't just go out and build something you've never used, experienced to play with before. So this will probably get me by for quite a long time until I finally gather, I don't know, the momentum, the effort levels to build my own. But I feel like this is good. I had no interest in getting this at first, but it's a pretty good addition. This is stupid. It barely fits in the undermilled T slot. Like it's got a bit of slop there. It just rattled out when I was using it. And as I said before, if you can trust that sticker, considering this one and that one were already peeling off, then you're a miracle. I mean, you could peel it off, get some spray on adhesive and reset, recalibrate it yourself, but what was so hard about making this part with moldings already in there, and then you can at least say if the mold's right, you know, it's something to go off. But a sticker, how are you supposed to trust a sticker? I know this is supposed to slide, but it'd be nice if we could clamp down, or at minimum give a little bit of clamping force to change the friction levels. It's just, it rotated out. It does have a vacuum port here, which will make this a little more obsolete. So I will consider hooking that up to a little dust extraction system. But other than that, for the price, literally, Ryobi can't be beaten. I can't, at least where I'm knocking around, I can't find an alternative. So it was either get some more green in the workshop or get nothing. So pretty happy with it. Can't wait to try it out on some real things, but initial tests, it's a ripper. Especially when it's up to you what grip you put on. Good times, nursery rhymes.